Question 1. Which of the following knots is used to affix two lines of the same diameter together so that they do not slip? Answer: reef knot. Question 2. When is it most prudent to enter a hoisting basket? Answer: when it has been certified and designed for this purpose. Question 3. With GMAW, which metal transfer creates the least spatter? Answer: spray transfer. Question 4. When replacing an empty wire spool, the first step is? Answer: turn off the power source and the wire feeder. Question 5. Which of the following is the lowest acceptable solder melting point while installing oil lines? Answer: 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 6. Never use equipment for arc welding while? Answer: standing on wet or damp floors. Question 7. How is material thickness determined while punching holes with an iron worker? Answer: only punch material thicknesses equal to or less than the punch diameter. Question 8. Under ASME, which of the following would reflect the properties of a collection of electrodes? Answer: F4. Question 9. How long should tack welds be while constructing and fitting? Answer: same length as the thickness of the base metal. Question 10. For manual medium to light workloads, CACA gouge operations, which of the following combinations of power source and polarity is utilized? Answer: AC/DC CC power source set up using DCRP, provided it has sufficient amperage output and 100% duty cycle. Question 11. Which of these would cause a torch to backfire? Answer: tip too close to the workpiece. Question 12. This size should be used for cutting sheet metal. Answer: number 0. Question 13. In SAW, which sort of flux may be reused? Answer. Question 14. What happens during a tensile test between the yield point and the ultimate tensile strength? Answer: elastic plastic range is reached. Question 15. Which electrode may be used to test polarity? Answer: E7010, E4910. Question 16. Force as a vector has which of the following characteristics? Answer: magnitude and direction. Question 17. What must be done while rigging using a swivel eye bolt? Answer: ensure it is torqued correctly. Question 18. Which of the following can oxyacetylene torches cut? Answer: carbon steels. Question 19. What is the most precise instrument used to determine the leg length of a fillet weld? Answer: fillet weld gauge. Question 20. Which sort of welding equipment will significantly reduce energy consumption? Answer: inverter.